everyone, my name is Maggie LaBranch-Gonzales, and I'm an attorney with Litherland, Kennedy & Associates. We're an estate planning and elder care law firm in Campbell, California. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a very exciting topic. Drum roll, please. Taxes! All right, I know that's exactly what you were thinking. Yes, the IRS has announced the new asset thresholds for the year 2023. And if you want to know the code, because you're very excited and you want to read about it, it's Revenue Procedure 2022-38, in case you were wondering. So in 2023, the federal estate tax exemption, which is how much you can leave your beneficiaries when you pass away without anyone paying any estate taxes, is going from $12,060,000 to $12,920,000. So exciting. And you're thinking, okay, great. What if I'm married? Well, one of the many or few benefits of being married, depending on how you look at it, that is per person. So a married couple can now pass in 2023 $25,840,000 completely free of the federal estate tax. And if you're sitting there thinking, Maggie, oh my gosh, I have way more than $12,920,000, or we together have way more than $25,840,000, then what? Well, anything above that almost $13 million or almost $26 million, then anything above that amount will be taxed at a flat 40%. 40%, that's huge. Now, again, you're sitting there thinking, well, Maggie, good joke. I don't have that kind of money. That's fine. The current exemption amount, the estate exemption amount, is going to expire at the end of 2025, meaning in 2026, unless Congress makes any changes, the exemption will revert back to the permanent level of $5 million per person. And that's indexed for inflation. And again, if you're a married couple, you can double it, but it gives you some idea. So again, under the current law, the vast majority of clients do not have a federal estate tax concern today. But if the law is not changed by our amazing Congress, there is potentially a concern for you if you are in that window in 2026. Now, you might be thinking, that's all fine and dandy with the feds. What about the state of California? The state of California, for now, does not have an estate tax, and we also do not have an inheritance tax. Now, if you're leaving the great state of California, and I don't know why you would, but if you're moving to, I don't know, Oregon, New Jersey, not that you would move to New Jersey, they are states that have an estate tax and also potentially an inheritance tax. So you might be thinking, oh, I want to retire and move to this state where you didn't have an estate tax concern in California. You may now have a estate tax concern, and they're generally lower than the federal government. They don't have that $12 million window. So if we are making a permanent move out of the state of California, I always recommend you see an estate planning attorney there to see if now you do have an estate tax concern. And you might be saying, okay, I don't have an estate tax concern. Well, guess what? Congress has also decided to increase, not Congress, but the IRS has now decided to increase the gift tax. So you might be thinking, oh, I want to start giving away some of my money. Now, this year, you can give away $16,000 per person. Next year, in 2023, you can give away $17,000 per person. So I can give away to each of you $17,000. Joke's on you, I don't have that kind of money. But each of you can also give me $17,000. And if you're a married couple, you can double it. So then you can give away $34,000 per person. And you can strategically plan it so that you can give some money on December 31st, give some money on January 1st, and now you can combine it and give a really nice gift. No gift taxes. No one has to claim it on their taxes, whether you're the giver or the receiver. So if you want to make everyone's holidays next year, 2023, just wait and you give them a little bit more money. And again, I always like to point out, it's very important for you to work with an experienced estate planning attorney to really help you understand when or if you need to engage in any advanced estate planning techniques to help you limit any exposure you may have to either the federal estate tax or maybe the gift tax. So before you start giving away a whole lot of money, you want to talk to someone who knows what they're doing. So thank you for listening to my vlog today. If you have any questions, please reach out to the office and make sure that you subscribe to our newsletters and also our YouTube. Thank you so much.